Before we end here, we have a comment from Chriskin talking about the Confluence of Alerts indicator. Says it seems to only apply to a select number of indicators, Bollinger Bands, RSIs, TAI. Is there a way to get it to access other indicators on TradingView? So this is a problem with the Confluence for Alerts indicator. It's why I've sort of like been hesitant to put a lot more effort into building it. One, we make these things so that, as an example, for you to be like, okay, I can make this for myself. We're not really trying to uh, we're not in the indicator development business. That's not what we're doing. But also, indicators can be built in different ways, and the data that you're seeing for an indicator might not be accessible to other indicators. It might not show up as a source. It might not be something you could tie an actual event on. So there's quite a bit of limitations when it comes to the Confluence alerts in that vein. And so you'll see things that only indicators that have a source. So if you go into the on your sidebar, you click on the third icon, and then you click on the data window. You'll be able to see if the source attributes there, and if those are there, well, then they'll be available to Confluence of Alerts. And if it's not, well, then it won't.
Is the Confluence of Alerts open source?
Yes.
Yeah. So in theory, as long as you've got some Pine scripting chops, you could go in there and add your own indicator to it and make that as an available source, in addition to the other sources that you're connecting to as other indicators. So if you have a specific one, you should be able to just write that in there and basically rewrite your own version of Confluence of Alerts, if you will.